Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is Nisha and I want to say what it do, baby boo. Today you have came across a very beautiful video because it's day 8 of 31 Days of Beauty. 31 Days of Beauty here on my channel for the month of October. I am bringing a new makeup tutorial every single day, yes, for the month of October using a different palette. So I'm going to come across some new palettes. I'm going to revisit some old classic ones, and some of them are not actually new, but they're new to me because they've been in my collection for so long that I've been hoarding them so long. So it's like, why? So this gives me the opportunity to pretty much mix and match and just have a little fun for the month of October. So today, baby, I'm so excited. Today I got this palette in my beauty box, or BoxyCharm box, and I was really shook to see this. This is Beaute Violet Sage. This is their newest palette. I think it just came out at the beginning of September, and I already got it, okay? And it is a limited edition one, so this is what she looks like. Really pretty, okay? So when I see the outside, I was so excited, like, is this new? Is it? I know I don't have her, so I was already excited for that. And I love Ace quality when it comes to their eyeshadows. Like, they're super buttery, super pigmented. It's just, they are really a good quality. So I'm hoping this is the same. You know, sometimes brands be slipping up and they don't keep their same good quality. It's just like, why did you switch up, boo? Why? So I'm hoping this is not the situation because I haven't swatched it, but this is what the color story looks like. It's very different. So majority of the colors is pinks, purples, and greens. So I was like, what are we gonna do with this look? I don't know. So we're gonna do something. So yeah, so I'm hoping I don't get copyright for this video. I'm trying to speak as loud as possible. My neighbors, literally where my window is like really close to the backyard, and the neighbors are having a party and they played a lot of ratchet copyright music, okay? And I'm just hoping my camera doesn't pick up the noise because I can hear it in my ear, and being that the camera is further back by the window, I'm hoping it doesn't pick it up, because then this video would be a waste and then I'll have to just redo it or put it on mute. So I'm hoping it's not on copyright, so I gotta keep speaking up loud. Okay, let's get it. What am I explaining? Let's get into this look, honey. So I definitely noticed that this palette does not have a brow bone highlight, so I'm gonna go in with my old favorite classic, and that is this eyeshadow right here. And I'm just gonna pretty much sweep this underneath the eyebrow. Alright, so the first shade that I want to jump into is this color right here called Star Flower. I'm pretty much gonna put this in my crease. Alright, so I feel like the only shade I have left to really blend out this shade is this pretty pink color right here. Alright, so I tried my best to cut my crease off camera as much as possible, but I don't know how I feel about her. But anywho, I'm gonna trust the process. So the next shade I'm gonna go into it is the actual color called Sage, and I'm gonna pop that pretty much like half of my lid area. I'm gonna add a little bit of purple, going in with the shade called Violet. I'm trying to see what's going to be darker. It's between these two shades, the dark purple or the dark burgundy. This is where I'm stuck at. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Before I put this in the outer part, I want to deepen up my crease because I feel like this burgundy is just like blah. I want to take that dark burgundy and see what it looks like in my crease. Alright, so I want to put the dark purple in my crease, so the outer part of the lid. Alright, so I'm also going to take that same dark purple that I have in outer. I am going to brush a little of that in the crease. It's not going to look like an actual purple because of the burgundy, but I'm just trying to deepen up my crease just a little bit. Alright, so this is okay. I wish I would have did the cut crease part backwards, meaning that same dark purple. I should have put that one in my crease first and then cut it because it would have looked more like a cleaner cut crease. But this is what we have when we're just going with the process. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead and start with the face now. For my moisturizer, I'm going to go in with my No Pore BLEM Priming Water and Oil. And then for my primer, going in with my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. Go in with my Flawless Finish Foundation by e.l.f. And this is in the shade Sienna. Alright, so I'm trying out a very bright concealer. So this is the new Benefits, what is these called? Concealers? I don't know what they're called. So I got this in my little goodie bag one day, and the shade is extremely light, way light than what I would ever get. But let's give it a try, okay? So this is in the shade Peach, and I'm gonna see what she's giving. Peach is more like a white girl friendly for me, but I'm gonna see if I can finesse this brightness. So I'm going to contour with Miss Fenty. Okay, so clearly this concealer is extremely light, and I kind of was aware of that, but I feel like I can still make this work. The only thing I'm finding problem-ish is that I think it's creasing a little bit, and I don't never crease underneath my eyes. Like, that's not even my texture. So for it to create a texture that's not there and it's a bad texture, it's like, why are we doing it? So my trick is what I'm going to do today, because I had this in my mind that I wanted to do this. That's why I had this idea to try this light concealer. It's because I want to try this setting powder for underneath my eyes. I felt like if I use my regular concealers, I wasn't going to notice this as a difference. So I want to see if this can balance out like my white concealers, because I have other concealers that's like super bright. You know when we go through that stage where we're just trying to discover and find what shades fits us, and yeah, so I have a lot of curiosity shades. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I don't think I ever tried this before. If I have, I don't remember. But yeah, this is the shade and what it looks like. So let's see if it gives me any type of life. This is what it looks like in the cap. So far it's not bad. Let's see what it looks like after this has been removed, but I like the color of it. I'm praying that it doesn't give me no Casper the Ghost friendly vibes when it takes pictures. And you already know, if y'all been watching my videos all over the face, it's Black Radiance. I think this is giving me my life, okay? But we're not quite done yet. So let's continue finishing this face. I'm going to contour with my Juvia Duo Bronzer in Deep Dark. Show you what it looks like, okay? I use both shades. I use the deepest shade first, and then I just kind of like buff it out with the lighter shade. Alright, so my face is looking really good for products that I never tried before, but I'm not disappointed at all. So for blush today, I'm going to go in with Miss Powerpuff Girl. This is in the shade Fighting Crimes. Alright, and then to highlight, I'm going in with Ace. This is the Glow Highlighter Palette. And then the shade, I think I want to, let's do Glowing. I want to try this shade right here. Alright, so I brought it up a little bit closer for the lips. I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil. For my lips, I'm going in with Beaute Bakerie shade Salted Caramel. And then I want to finish up my eyes while this lipstick dries down. I'm going to take that deep dark purple. I'm going to put that at the bottom lash line. Alright, so for my eyes, I feel like I need to switch it up somehow. So I'm going to pop some glitter glue in my inner. I got to pop something to remix this look. I think I want to go in with this metallic shade right here. I don't see really any other color that might work. And then for my gloss, I'm going to go in with ColourPop. This is the I think called Glossy. So Glossy lip product. I see the holographic shade is so pretty. And then to kind of like seal this on, because it's kind of sticky wearing this gloss by itself, I'm just going to go right on top with ColourPop. Alright, she cute, right? Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to put some lashes on off camera, but I'm going to set my face with my H2O. Okay, we'll get it real quick. That's way too much. Alright, so here we are with the complete and final look. Is she a cutie or what? So let me be honest. I love this palette, hands down I do. I will say I don't think this is the original Ace formula. I feel like it's a little bit different. It's not a bad like pigmentation at all because it's giving me my life. I could just tell a little bit that it is a slight difference compared to the formula that I'm used to from Ace. That's my only critique. But other than that, the colors are beautiful. The color story is beautiful. And I like it. I really like how this is giving me my life. Yeah, okay. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have been holding it down for me for the first week, like week 2, like this week, like I just ask that you guys continue to do so. I'm just so excited because like y'all remember my post if y'all seen it. Like I didn't think I was going to be able to achieve this 31 days in beauty, but I stepped out on faith and I was like, if God is going to give me the time to do this, and if it's meant for me to do it, then He's going to give me the time. And so far it's been a blessing. It's been amazing, and I'm just very genuine and grateful for those who have been coming back every single day, whether you're just watching it, when you're putting that extra step and you're just hitting that thumbs up button, you're leaving me a comment down at the bottom. Like, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, because I know I'm late on replying to people. I understand that I am, but I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are truly amazing. Just because I don't respond to you guys right away, best to believe I see you guys, and I just want to say Thank you so much for doing that. And I didn't even say this in any of my videos. I totally forgot, but I'm not able to do any type of vlogs on this channel because I felt like that would be too much uploading my beauty videos in my vlogs on here. So for the whole month of October, I am vlogging on my other channel. So that link would be down in the description box. So if you guys want to see baby boy, because I know I was pregnant and boom, popped up not pregnant and didn't say nothing about the baby. But if y'all want to see him and the rest of my family, definitely go ahead and check out my vlog channel. It's not much that goes on, but if y'all want to see more of me behind the scenes, then go ahead and check out the vlog channel. But other than that, you guys, I'm excited. I'm just really excited for this week and this whole month in general. So thank you guys again for all the love and support. I'm going to leave you guys on that note. I will see you guys tomorrow, so be sure to come back, continue supporting your girl, and you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.